Social media marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience and increase brand awareness. It enables organizations to connect with potential consumers on popular platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. These platforms are buzzing with billions of users, making them a fertile ground for businesses to establish a solid online presence. The power of social media marketing lies in its ability to bridge the gap between businesses and consumers. It provides businesses with the opportunity to interact with their customers in real time, answer their queries, and build a strong and loyal community around their products or services. This active engagement not only cultivates trust and loyalty, but also strengthens the customer's connection with the brand. The key to social media marketing lies in the creation and distribution of valuable content that strikes a chord with the target audience. This could range from informative articles that enlighten the audience on topics related to the brand's offerings, to engaging videos that entertain while subtly promoting the brand's products or services. It also involves the creation of eye-catching graphics that grab the viewer's attention and compel them to interact with the content. This interaction, in the form of likes, shares, and comments, gives the content a boost, increasing its visibility and reach. Another crucial aspect of social media marketing is the ability to tap into the wealth of user data available on these platforms. With insights into the demographic profiles of their audience, which includes age, geographical location, interests, and behaviors, businesses can tailor their marketing content to resonate with their target audience. This level of customization enhances the effectiveness of the marketing campaigns, ensuring that the right message reaches the right people at the right time. Furthermore, the use of data analytics and tracking tools allows businesses to monitor the performance of their social media campaigns. They can measure key metrics such as engagement rate, reach, conversion rate, and return on investment. This detailed analysis helps businesses refine their strategies, making necessary tweaks and adjustments to optimize their campaigns for maximum impact and returns. In addition to increasing brand awareness and engagement, social media marketing also plays a significant role in lead generation and conversion. By creating targeted campaigns, businesses can attract potential customers, convert them into leads, nurture these leads through personalized communication and content, and eventually turn them into paying customers. This process not only results in increased sales, but also contributes to the growth and sustainability of the business. In conclusion, social media marketing is an essential tool for businesses looking to expand their online presence and connect with customers on a more personal level. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving field that requires constant learning and adaptation. To stay ahead in this digital age, it's crucial to equip oneself with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the digital landscape effectively. To learn more about digital marketing strategies, enroll in the digital marketing course at CAD Nest today.